Hello, welcome to Revsogy's Christian's Tech Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to install MySword Bible application, the most advanced Bible application on Android device. First, you need to have ES File Explorer and MySword Bible received by installing ES File Explorer to your Android device. Let's install MySword Bible. Click done. Go to home screen. And now we have File Explorer and MySword Bible. Let's open File Explorer. And if you see here, there's no folder in here called MySword. So let's create the folder MySword by opening MySword app. Anytime you open MySword, first time you install, it brings you to select module path, default data path, and we have Android SD card data path deleted upon uninstall and custom data path. So default data path is your internal system space, and Android SD card data path deleted for uninstall is also Android data folder. Welcome files are installed in your Android device. MySword will install every file to that location on your Android data folder. So anytime you uninstall the application, every file or every data you have also uninstall. And we have custom data path. Custom data path is a choose folder using ES File Explorer. That's why we install ES File Explorer. So you can click and then find your SD card or your internal which you prefer to install your app. If you have two internal, if you have SD card or internal and your internal space is too small for you to install this application, you have to have SD card, approximately 2 GB SD card above. And remember, MySword Bible can take about 4 GB on your system. It depends how many files or data you install in it. So if you have enough space on your internal, then you can choose the default data path or Android SD card data path deleted upon uninstall. You can choose two of them. But if you have external SD card and you wish to install on it, then you have to choose custom data path and select the SD card and create folder by name it MySword. After you name it MySword, click OK. When you click OK, the MySword folder will create. So when it finished created, just click on it and click select. And now if you see here, we have SD card / MySword. But remember, Anytime you create this, you have to click OK, and it will take you to download module. So download modules allow you to install the default data which you can use. But because of tutorial purposes, I'm not using internet for downloading, which will take a long time. So let's close, and we have default zip file, and I'll show you how to install from default zip file. So let's go to ES file and open MySword. If you see here, there's nothing in their folder. It doesn't matter. So let's go to where your zip file, and I recommended you to use cat if the file are in your Android device, so it can leave a space for you. But because of tutorial purposes, I'm using copy. Go back to MySword folder and paste it there. Wait until it is successful. There we go, successful. After it says that, make sure MySword Bible is closed. Close MySword Bible. Go to home screen and reopen MySword Bible. And every file will extract to its folders. After that, MySword Bible will open. And when it extracting, it takes a little while, depend the speed of your Android device. And please be patient. Mine is finished. It takes about, let's say, 30 seconds. So close. This is MySword Bible. You now have your Bible. On this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize and how to use the Tree Bible Demo Pro and Full. And I'll also show you the difference between MySword Bible Free, Premium, and Deluxe version. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can benefit from this tech. Goodbye.